In this video, we'll introduce you to the beloved Italian classic, spaghettiaglioeolio, a dish celebrated for its simplicity and rich flavors. Known for its garlic and olive oil base, this recipe is a staple in Italian cuisine, showcasing how minimal ingredients can create something truly delightful. Despite facing the challenge of laryngitis, Chef John's passion for cooking shines through as he shares his unique approach to this timeless dish. Viewers can expect to learn an easy yet delicious recipe that they can recreate at home, making it a perfect addition to any meal. To prepare spaghetti aglio e olio, start by gathering key ingredients: fresh garlic, vibrant Italian parsley, high-quality olive oil, and reggiano parmesan. It's crucial to slice the garlic rather than mince or chop it, as this technique allows for a more delicate flavor infusion without overpowering the dish. Fresh ingredients are essential. They significantly enhance the overall taste, bringing out the best in this simple recipe. The aromatic garlic, combined with the richness of olive oil and the freshness of parsley, creates a harmonious blend that elevates the dish, making it a delightful experience for your palate. To toast garlic in olive oil, begin by heating the oil over low to medium heat, allowing it to warm gradually. Add the sliced garlic and use a gentle technique to slowly toast it, stirring frequently until it reaches a beautiful golden brown color. This careful process is essential, as overcooking can lead to bitterness, ruining the dish's flavor. It's important to monitor the garlic closely, ensuring it doesn't burn. Timing is key. Start toasting the garlic just as you begin boiling the pasta, so both elements finish cooking simultaneously, creating a perfectly harmonious dish. Once the spaghetti is cooked al dente, drain it without rinsing, as this helps the sauce adhere better to the pasta. In a large skillet, combine the toasted garlic oil with the drained spaghetti, ensuring every strand is coated. To enhance the flavor, add freshly cracked black pepper, a pinch of red pepper flakes for heat, and a sprinkle of salt to taste. For a rich, savory finish, mix in grated reggiano parmesan, allowing it to melt slightly into the warm pasta. Toss everything together thoroughly, creating a deliciously aromatic dish that highlights the simplicity of spaghetti aglio e olio. As you prepare to serve the spaghetti aglio e olio, it's crucial to toss the pasta thoroughly to ensure that every strand is evenly coated with the garlic oil and seasonings. This step enhances the overall flavor and texture of the dish. For an appealing presentation, plate the pasta and generously sprinkle additional grated reggiano parmesan and freshly chopped Italian parsley on top. This not only adds a pop of color but also elevates the dish's aroma. Encourage viewers to take a moment to appreciate the enticing fragrance and visual appeal, making the dining experience truly delightful. Chef John highlights garlic's reputation as a superfood, renowned for its numerous health benefits, including boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, garlic is known to support heart health and may even help lower blood pressure. This delicious spaghetti aglio e olio not only tantalizes the taste buds but also offers nutritional value, making it a guilt-free indulgence. By incorporating garlic into their meals, viewers can enjoy both flavor and health benefits. Chef John encourages everyone to consider adding more garlic to their diet, enhancing both their culinary experiences and overall well-being. In summary, this video showcases the simplicity and incredible flavor of spaghetti aglio e olio, a dish that proves less can be more in the kitchen. Chef John's easy-to-follow recipe allows anyone to create a delicious meal with just a few quality ingredients. Viewers are encouraged to try this recipe and share their experiences in the comments, as we love hearing your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more culinary inspiration, and explore additional content on foodwishes.com for more delightful recipes that will elevate your cooking skills. Happy cooking!